Hi folks, Dan.McCaskill, Guaranty RV here in Junction City, Oregon. Doing a few videos today. We're going to do a video on a 2019 27FR Thor 4 winds. Brand new coach, newer floor plan, does have a full wall slide, so the slide is all on the driver's side of the coach. No slide out in your patio area. It's kind of nice. Great little floor plan, lots of features. We're going to walk inside and take a look. As you come around to your patio area, the whole patio side of the coach is covered by a power awning, and you have a large LED light that's underneath that awning all the way through. Features on the outside, outside entertainment, outside TV and sound bar, so you can hear it. Propane over here, of course. One little storage compartment here, and another good sized storage up here in the front on the bottom. As we walk inside, very livable coach. You've got a good sized couch, TV up in the front corner, and a large dinette. A lot of the dinettes used to be that they were kind of tight, made it hard to sleep in, but this dinette's big enough, it'll fit close to a person that's 6 feet tall. And you have your big sleeping up above. So if it's just a couple, plenty livable. Just for two, makes it comfortable. And then here in the back, your bed is in the slide out. King size bed in a Class C. Pretty rare, but packed in here pretty tight. Full wardrobe closet here in the rear, and you do have a corner bath, so you can see how deep that bath is. Real big shower, plenty of room in there, medicine cabinets, some storage, and then of course here you can see large storage compartments. Come on past me there so you can see. Linens, clothes, whatever you may need, plus you have full drawers across the back where your wardrobe is. Little pantry closet here with some pull-outs. Thor did a really good job with this floor plan. Of course, it comes standard with backup camera, side view cameras. Thor has a 3-year structural warranty on their coach. Means your sidewalls, your roof, your floor, the structure of the coach is covered for 3 years. You have a 3-year 36 on your chassis, your Ford chassis. But that's the inside of this Class C. When you're in 27 feet, there isn't a whole lot to show. But they stuff everything in this 27-foot coach. So if you have a spot that won't take 30, 31 feet, 32 feet, this may be a great option for you. Because it's got everything that a 32, 33-foot coach does have. And the full wall slide accommodates that. So we have lots of Class Cs right now. No matter what floor plan you're looking for, please call Guaranty. The number's right here at the bottom. My name is Dan.McCaskill, and I'd love to help you. Thank you.